Welcome back to OCC, these old country cooks, John and Rebecca. We've been invited to review this INKBIRD 4 thermometer, Bluetooth and 5G Wi-Fi.
It's a smart thermometer.
It's a very smart thermometer. We're going to show you about it. We're going to do a little cook with it, and at the end we'll just let you know when we're done. You can also get the we're going to show you where to purchase this at, and there will be a discount code for any of those who buy it. Okay, so let's go down here and see what it all came with. Okay, so what we have, you have 4 probes. We come and also has the monitor itself. It has the charging cord, and it comes with 2 probe holders, and also it comes with the instruction booklet. And for Rebecca to open up to the page where you scan, there's the little scan code. Let me get a little close up on that. QR code. Now there is one on the box. I want to show you that too. That barcode beside of it, Rebecca's phone kept wanting to capture that. So I suggest either use that on there. If you don't want to use those 2 scan codes, you can go to the Apple Play Store and you go ahead and look for the INKBIRD logo and you get it there. So, and
Google Play Store also.
And Google Play Store also. And then all you want to do is search for the IBT-26S 5G. That product will be on there, and we'll go through that in just a minute. So let's go with this down here. Here's your little displayer, which is also monitor, which also sends the signal out on the back. It is magnetic. It will stick. It'll stick to your grill. It'll stick to your grill. It also has a little kickstand on the back. You can sit down on the table and it'll hold it up about like that right there. There's the charging port. It has 3 plug-ins on this side, 3 plug-ins on this side. Now one of these plug-in, it says oven. That's just going to read out your ambient temperature, okay, of what your oven is. These right here, these are for your probe holds. There's different sizes for in case you have other probes that fit this machine, different thicknesses. So this is a universal one. So what it does, we're going to come over to the grill. You just get it, let it squeeze in between them, and it'll hold it just like that. It'll hold it up there. With all these probes, once you plug them in, you can actually, if you've got a couple more of these, you can set them, all 4 of them, on here, especially with a pellet grill or an offset grill, because my heat's coming over here from the pellet side. The burner's right here, so I'm gonna have a different temperature way over there. Same with your offset smokers. So instead of doing the bread test or the biscuit test, you can just set these thermometers up in there, run it for about an hour, and just see what kind of temperatures you have. That'd be cool. You can also graft it. That's a good thing for the graft. All right, so most phones come with this already on them. So I have Play Store. Just click on it, and then I'm gonna type in INKBIRD. So I'll be right back with that.
Okay.
And click open. So there's my device, but what you want to do is go ahead and hit that plus sign right here, and it's going to show all the devices, and you just go through there until you find it, and it's right there in the middle. And then you just click on it and it'll start downloading it to your phone. Once you download it to your phone, you just follow the instructions on how to connect it. It'll tell you you got to be within so many feet of each other. Got to make sure your Bluetooths are turned on. You want to go ahead and stick one of your probes into one of the slots. Just stick it in the first slot, so that'll show it working, okay? To turn the power on, you would actually just hold it down until it comes on and then let go of it. It's hard to see out here in the sunlight, but it's on. Once it connects, it says it's connected, then you just hit it again and it stays paired. Okay, you're good. It's showing you connection. Like when I was trying to show you this, it was already hunting for this thing. So it's real easy to work. Like I said, then you have to have this plugged in, so it'll go ahead and show the temperatures. So I've already have this preset, and we'll go through some settings on here.
You have to plug it in before it shows up as being online.
Right, yeah, you have to plug it in. Once you turn it on, just go ahead and have something plugged into it. So my INKBIRD, now you may have to, when you get on Google Play or INKBIRD, you may have to log in, sign up, put a location down. It'll simple walk through that. We already had that on ours, so we didn't have to do anything.
You can log in with your Google credentials.
Right, and you also have to name your device. Rebecca named it John's device or John's INKBIRD, whatever. So I just click on my INKBIRD. My device is already there. I just click on my device, and there it is. It already has it. 63 degrees. It's ready to go. So every time, once you get it set up, you just go to the INKBIRD, click on what device you have, make sure it's turned on, and it automatically pairs it. And it'll automatically pair it with your Wi-Fi as well. All right, up here at the top's a little wheel. That's your settings. We'll do that first. Click on your settings. You go down here and turn on your device's Wi-Fi. Make sure that's on. What did that say? Auto connect. You want to set your hours either to 12 or 24. We do 12, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on 12. Temperature unit, you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Devices, temperature alarm, you can put it on or off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off right now. Or you can mute the whole thing, and we'll come on up. Once you plug these in to your device, it'll ask you what color it is, but I've already have these set, so I can just always put red, yellow, orange, green. I don't know what color that is. Anyway, they're color coded.
Teal.
Teal. So you have 4. It's a teal. So that's how you plug them in. You can set the brightness of your screen. Like we're out here today, we've got it turned all the way up so we can see it. You go back over here and go back. Say you want to pick your, it'll do a graft of your cook. Especially like if you're doing the grill, like I was telling you, put all these in there and you want to check your temperatures, leave it for about an hour and see how each zone fluctuates. And you can save this, or you can save one of your better cooks and know how it worked. Maybe see what went wrong. We went back up on that. The second one, you can set up, you can do a timed cook. You can set a timer on it. There it is, all the things you need to see for that to put your timer on. Then whatever type cook you have, it has fish, looks like sausages and turkey, chicken, lamb, beef, pig, pork, steaks, ribs, roast. Look, it just goes on and on and on and on. I think there's 20 some on here. So some of these only have one setting, like you want your turkey done, or fish done. But if you go to beef, as you can see, you can have all of them: rare, medium, medium well done, because that's the way Rebecca likes it. Or if you don't like any of those temperatures, you'd hit that custom right there and you can dial this wheel in. Can you see that numbers on there? You can set it to whatever you want by turning this little wheel. Amazing. If you don't want it, and say you set it, and then you want to go back and you don't want to keep that on there, you can go back and just hit default, and it'll set it back on default. Pretty neat, huh?
Pretty neat. I like that the default for each individual protein type is already set in.
Protein. And I just went through here to look at a lot of these, just about all types of proteins you can think of: ground beef, veal, everything, deer. I mean, it just everything. But you can also set it up for a barbecue smoke, a hot smoke, or cold smoke. So that's pretty cool, especially if you're going to do jerky and cheeses and stuff like that. Very neat, very neat.
And you can add your own.
Yes, and you can, again, you can customize again and you can add more right here with the plus sign. All right, we're gonna give this a test. We're gonna use my pellet grill, my gourmet, outdoor gourmet. This is a XL Triton, huge grill. It'll do all my needs that I need to smoke with. It'll do hot smoke, cold smoke. It'll grill. You can get it hot enough to grill. So we're gonna go ahead and do a whole chicken. I'm gonna spatchcock it, and we're gonna do a beef bottom round roast. I'm gonna put some. You'll see my seasonings. We're gonna season it up, and that roast I'm gonna show you the whole cook on that all the way till we taste it. Again. Go check out INKBIRD. Look down in the description, just right in the show more. Just click on that little logo on the side, show more. Drop screen will come down. It'll have where to purchase this, and it'll also have a discount code. We're going to use the INKBIRD IBT 26S thermometer today. I have one for each side of the chicken legs, and then I have one for the roast. So let's go ahead and get these in there. Here's our beautiful roast. We're gonna set it fat cap down to protect the meat. Here's our nice INKBIRD. I got the yellow for the beef. Got those plastic covered tips I forgot to take off. Going about halfway in. Right there, about the center. Right. And we'll put the two chickens in. We'll put the first one in the breast meat. And then the last one. Thigh right here. I've got our smoke. All right, guys, our chicken's ready. We're gonna pull it out. All right, gonna take her in and let her rest. All right, guys, the roast is done. Beautiful mahogany color on there. Beautiful piece of meat. We're gonna go ahead and get her in, and we're slicing this up tonight. Okay guys, this cook was so easy. The thermometer really helped out, gave me just what I want. You need to get one of these. I don't care if you've got some already. This is going to outperform it by far. Okay, so look down in the show more. Go ahead and get those codes to get your discount and where to order it. Thank y'all for coming. Please share, like, comment, join our channel. What else we need to do?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. That's join our channel. And most important,
y'all come back.
Bye. Thanks, INKBIRD. I'm gonna love this thing.